Alright, you're welcome back once again. My name is Victor Digomo here, and in this class we are still looking at questions around polygons, and we have another one which I'm going to put up there that says the interior angle of a polygon is 3 times the exterior angle. It says how many sides has the polygon? Okay, the interior angle of a polygon is 3 times the exterior angle. So how many sides has the polygon? The interior angle is 3 times the exterior angle. Okay, the way you look at this is you look at you can make a line like this, okay, and have something like this. Of course, if this continues, you also have something like that. All these are exterior angles. So they are trying to let us know that this exterior is 3 times this interior is 3 times the exterior. Okay, do we get? So how I'm going to go about it quickly is that I may call here let me say let the exterior be x. Let the exterior be x. So here x. That means the interior is 3 times the exterior. This will be 3x. And when I do that, okay, when I do that, I can be able to obtain the value of x. It's a very simple thing. I'm sure you know that. If this is x, then means the interior is 3x. So, but there's something you need to know here. That what you need to know here is that this 3x plus x is equals to 180 degrees. Why? Sum of angles on a straight line is 180 degrees. So we have here 4x equals to 180 degrees. If you divide both sides by 4, you are going to be obtaining, let me take it over here. You are going to be obtaining 4x over 4 equals to 180 degrees over 4. So you have x is 2 here is 2. 2 here is 9. 90 divided by 2 will give us 45 degrees. X is 45 degrees. 45 degrees. So if x is 45 degrees, the interior angle will now be what? 3 times 45 degrees. Okay, 3 times that will give us 135. 90 plus 45 will give us 135 degree. So, and they asked us to find, according to the question, how many sides has the polygon? How many sides has the polygon? So how do we obtain the number of sides that is in this polygon? How do we obtain that? Since we started this class, we've been bringing up one thing, and that is the expression for finding the sum of interior angles in a regular polygon. So that expression for finding the sum of interior angles in a regular polygon is n. We say the sum of interior angles of a polygon is given by n minus 2 bracket 180 degrees. So we will use this. So if this is the sum of the interior angles in this polygon, and you divide it by how many they are, n, they are saying that one interior will be 135 degree. I'm sure that is very, very understood. I believe there is no trouble with that. This is the expression for the sum of interior angles of a regular polygon. And they are saying that the interior angle is 135 degrees. We don't know how many sides this polygon has. So, but if I divide this now, assuming I'm thinking you know what I'm talking about. If you divide this by the number of sides, you get 135. It's given. So, how many sides it has, dividing the sum, will give 135. That's the implication. So, we are going to simplify this. We'll simplify that. So, what do we have? We will have n minus 2 bracket 180 degrees equals to 135 degree into n. So we have this times this is 180 degrees n minus this into this is 360 degrees equals to 135 n. Okay, so can I bring this over here and take this one over here? I have 180 degrees of n, then minus 135 degrees of n equals to this is 360 degrees. 180 minus 135. 5 on top of this is 40. So 180 is 45. 45 degree of n equals to 360 degrees. So I have n to be 360 degrees over 45 degrees. So n is 5 goes here is 9. And am I correct? No? Yeah. Well, let me take 9. Let me take 9. 9 goes here and 9 goes here 4. So I have 3 over 5 is 8. So this polygon size, it has another that one can come across around polygons. So I believe that when you come across something like that, the explanation I have given will be able to help one to know what to do. If knowledge has been added to what you have, so and if that is so, I think you can be of an influence by sharing our video, liking what we are doing, and subscribing to the channel. We still have a lot to bring up. So if you click on this notification button, you are going to be notified as we do our classes and upload. Thank you so much for being there.